Hey everyone, so this is me playing the Sarasponda song on the ukulele. The chords that you'll need for this song are the C chord, which looks like this. So you have your, I would say, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret of the A string. So this is how you play the C chord. Okay, so just practice that a few times. Make sure you're getting a nice strong sound. Every single string is making a clear sound. Then your second chord that you're going to want to know is the F chord, which goes like this. So you have your pointer finger right on the E string, 1st fret, and you have your next finger on the G string of the 2nd fret. Okay, so that's how you make your F chord, like that. Practice that a couple times. Feel free to go back and practice again. Go back to your C chord, and then your F chord. Okay, if you want to start with something simple, just practice the F and the C chords. If you would like to go on to something more challenging, this is the G chord. Okay, so you can see that there are 3 fingers that are down. What I do is I take my peace sign fingers, pointer and middle fingers, and they go on the 2nd fret, so they're going to live on the E string, the C string and the A string, okay, those 2. And then my next finger, which is my ring finger, goes on the 3rd fret on the E string, okay? So that's how I play my G chord. There's what it sounds like, okay? So in order to play Sarasponda, I'm gonna go like this. Just a simple version of Sarasponda goes like this. Sarasponda, 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 red, set, set. Sarasponda, 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 red, set, set. Adore-o, adore, boom, de-o, adore, boom, de, red, set, set. Passe, passe-o. And if you'd like to just do a simple version, you can just play the C chord and the F chord like this. Sarasponda, 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 red, set, set. Sarasponda, 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 red, set, set. Adore-o, adore, boom, de-o, adore, boom, de, red, set, set. Passe, passe-o. And when you strum, just work on, I like to use my thumb and my pointer finger, strumming right down like that. Okay? Have fun.